The things Allah commands subhanahu wa ta'ala are two types. The commands, the things Allah commands subhanahu wa ta'ala are two types. Things that He commands for us to do in a forceful manner. It's force. You have to do this. That's what we call wajib. And there are things that you're requested to do, but not in a forceful manner. That's what we call الندب والاستحباب. We call this a sunnah. When Allah tells us to do something, but in a recommended manner. We call this الندب والاستحباب. But if Allah requests from us to do something in a forceful manner, المأمور يطلب منه طلب جزم وهو الواجب. ويطلب منه بغير جزم وهو الندب والاستحباب. The scholars mention this. The mandub and the sunnah is basically what the sharia requests from you, Allah Azza wa Jalla requests from you to do, but in a recommended manner.